The world's first car stereo, circa 1930, only got radio and tended to catch on fire. Car stereos have become one of the more important options to consider when purchasing a car or upgrading the existing setup in your vehicle. Smartphone integration is also a key factor, and with that evolution, car stereos have become more than just something that plays tunes while driving. No longer just a mere accessory, car stereos must play and stream music in different formats, connect to our smartphones, navigate for us, and even play videos while the car is parked. Some new vehicles have stereos that meet the needs of today's drivers, but what about those situations where you are looking to replace a broken or upgrade an outdated car stereo? The choices are numerous and varied, just as with any other on-the-go infotainment needs. There are many things to consider when selecting a car stereo, and these are some of the best car stereos available. Are you looking for the best car stereos? In your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best car stereos. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the JVC KWM56BT Apple CarPlay Android Auto Multimedia Player. The JVC KWM56BT should be the go-to option for anyone looking for one of the best affordable car stereos. The M56BT is a double-DIN car stereo and features a customizable 6.8-inch capacitive touchscreen. Gesture control is a nice feature that brings easy volume and track control. The M56BT has top-notch sound performance thanks to the built-in amplifier and equalizer to back up its 50 watts of power per channel. Additional features that you would expect to find on much more expensive units include wired support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, hands-free calling via Bluetooth, and Sirius XM support. Also included are a backup camera input and steering wheel controls with an additional adapter. The JVC KWM56BT proves you don't have to break the bank for a full-feature car stereo. Up next in the 4th place is the Alpine ILX W650 Digital Multimedia Receiver. The Alpine ILX W650 is a double-DIN car stereo with a 7-inch capacitive touchscreen that makes controlling everything easy and intuitive. The head unit is compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and connectivity comes via Bluetooth, 2 camera inputs, and USB. Other features include an external microphone for voice commands and hands-free phone use, with an optional adapter to add steering wheel control. The sound quality is superb with 50W-X4 power and a built-in amplifier. An outstanding feature is the size of the unit. The ILX W650 has a shallow mount design at only 2 wooden 316 inches deep, which makes installation easy, particularly if space is at a premium behind the dashboard in your car. The shallow design also leaves plenty of room for future expandability with other aftermarket accessories like a power pack amp. The Alpine ILX W650 is not only one of the best for its ease of installation, but it also won't break the bank. The 3rd product on our list is the Pioneer Car DMH-WC5E700 Next 6.8-inch Multimedia Digital Media Receiver. The DMH-WC5E700 Next is a modular car stereo featuring a 6.8-inch capacitive touchscreen and a single DIN installation chassis. The tablet-like display features icon controls and is connected to the chassis via a cable that allows for versatile installation, even in tight compartments. And being able to separate the display from the chassis gives the WC5E700 Next a familiar and easy-to-use tablet-like feel. The WC5E700 Next has outstanding wired or wireless support for Apple CarPlay, allowing easy and safe hands-free access to your phone, including your music library, messages, and your favorite apps. It is also compatible with Android Auto and Amazon Alexa. Connectivity includes Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, HDMI, 2 camera inputs, and a rear aux input. The built-in 50W-X4 amplifier provides plenty of power for the 13-band graphic equalizer to produce exceptional sound quality. If an iPhone is your smartphone of choice, the Pioneer DMH-WC5E700 Next is one of the best when it comes to Apple CarPlay support. Second on our list is the Alpine ILX F511 Halo 11 Multimedia Receiver. The Alpine Halo 11 ILX 511 features the best touchscreen you can find on a car stereo. Measuring a gigantic 11-inch, the screen is floating with adjustability for height, depth, and viewing angle. The display resolution is eye-catching and crisp at 1280 x 720 pixels and is also very responsive. However, despite the size of the touchscreen, the ILX 511 fits most single DIN openings. More than just a pretty face, the ILX 511 has excellent smartphone integration with compatibility for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, along with Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free calling and audio streaming. It is also Sirius XM ready and has a built-in HD radio. There are camera and USB inputs along with an HDMI connection for a CD-DVD or Blu-ray player. Unfortunately, the camera inputs are compatible only with Alpine cameras, though a composite video adapter for connecting a non-Alpine camera is included. Sound performance is excellent with adjustability via a 13-band parametric equalizer and high and low pass filters, among other audio enhancements. Finally, the top product on our list is the Pioneer DMH-WT17600 NEX digital multimedia receiver. The Pioneer DMH-WT17600 NEX is top of the line when it comes to car stereos. More than just a car stereo, the WT17600 NEX is a multimedia receiver for your car with a wide array of excellent features that enhance your driving experience. It is compatible with Apple CarPlay, Amazon Alexa, and Android Auto for seamless wired or wireless access to your favorite apps. There are also other music sources with a Sirius XM ready device and a built-in HD radio tuner. It also features Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free calling and audio streaming. You don't have to worry about compatibility with different types of smartphones and audio providers. Sound quality is also terrific thanks to a 13-band, customizable graphic equalizer and a built-in digital signal processor. While the WT17600 NEX is a single DIN unit, it features a responsive, large, and vibrant 9-inch LED touchscreen with a floating design with horizontal, vertical, and tilt adjustability. Additional features include inputs for a backup and other cameras, USB input, a detachable face for security, and a remote control. The WT17600 may be at the high end in price, but its premium features and performance make it well worth it and one of the best overall. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.